Hey, what's up, guys? Central Methods here. Well, just letting you know, I'm gonna be live streaming, but sad thing is, my Elgato broke. It's in the shop right now. It's been like 3 days. I should have got it fixed by now, but anyway, um, yeah. So I'm gonna be having this laptop pointed towards the TV. It's gonna be good quality, but not the best quality, but it's gonna be pretty good. But yeah, so I will be live streaming uh, online and private match shots, of course. I like to have fun, so. But yeah, so catch you there. Peace.